Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study properly, step by step. Effective studying begins with meticulous planning. Start by creating a detailed study schedule, allocating specific time slots for each subject. Prioritize topics based on their difficulty and importance, ensuring you tackle challenging areas first. Setting realistic daily goals, like completing 3 chapters or solving 20 problems, helps maintain momentum and prevents burnout. This structured approach lays a strong foundation for consistent progress and academic success. Engaging actively with your study material is crucial for deep understanding. Instead of passive reading, practice active recall by testing yourself without notes. Summarize complex concepts in your own words to ensure comprehension. Regularly solve practice problems and past examination papers to apply your knowledge and identify weak areas. A highly effective method is to teach the material to a friend or even an imaginary audience, reinforcing your learning significantly. Mastering revision strategies is key to long-term retention. Employ spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals over days and weeks. This technique significantly boosts memory recall. Focus your revision efforts on your weakest areas, dedicating more time to challenging topics. Creating concise revision notes, perhaps 1 page per chapter, or detailed mind maps, helps condense information and makes it easier to review efficiently before examinations. Prioritizing your physical and mental well-being is as important as the studying itself. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night to consolidate learning. Take short, 15-minute breaks every 90 minutes of study to prevent fatigue and maintain focus. Staying hydrated and eating nutritious meals fuels your brain. Incorporating 30 minutes of physical activity daily can significantly reduce stress and improve cognitive function, enhancing your overall study effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.